These days, modern cars are packed with safety features and technologies intended to make our driving experience as safe as possible. Unfortunately, accidents do happen and you'll never know when you may get in a situation where you're stuck inside your car. It may take some time for emergency services to arrive, and anytime you're involved in a collision, every second counts. Having a car escape tool handy in your glove box, center console, attached to your keychain, or even plugged into your cigarette lighter could one day save your life. Most car escape tools will allow you to break a side window and cut your seatbelt, allowing you to get out of your car in a timely fashion. There are numerous options for cheap car escape tools, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable car escape tools from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. RESQME Car Escape Tool. The most popular car escape tool available on Amazon comes from RESQME and is available in a variety of colors and quantities. You can purchase a single unit, 2-pack, or 3-pack at a very affordable price. Color options include black, blue, safety yellow, pink, orange, and red. This tool is extremely compact and fits on your keychain, so you always have it with you in your vehicle. This 2-in-1 tool features a seatbelt cutter and car window breaker, allowing you to cut a jammed seatbelt and break a side window in your car in the case of an emergency. This product was originally developed for first responders, like firefighters and EMTs, and has become an essential tool for safety-conscious drivers. It is constructed from ABS plastic and stainless steel, and made in the US. Attached to your keychain, the tool comes with a detachable clip, allowing you to simply pull it away in the case of an emergency. When pulled away from the clip, it will reveal the blade for the seatbelt cutter. To break a window, you simply press the black head of the tool against the corner of the glass, and it will release the spring-loaded spike and shatter the glass. Keep in mind this tool only works against tempered glass, which is commonly used inside windows. That means it won't work on your windshield, and you should check to make sure your side windows are made from tempered glass. Number 2. GOACC Emergency Escape Tool. The next product on our list is the GOACC Emergency Escape Tool, but you will likely find many items that are similar in design, style, and features. We included this one on our list because it is the highest rated version on Amazon, likely due to its price. Available in a 2-pack, this tool features a double-sided hammer head with hard and sharp stainless steel points and a sharp razor to cut off the seatbelt during emergencies. As a safeguard, the razor blade is recessed in the tool, so you won't accidentally cut yourself with it. It's a fairly compact tool, although not as small as the RESQME option. There's a soft rubber cover on the pointed steel head to help avoid any scratches to your vehicle, while the flat hammer head can be used to clear the broken glass. The top of the tool features a light guide strip, making it easier to find in the case of an emergency. You can also install a mounting base to keep the tool in a fixed location inside your vehicle. Like most other car escape tools, this will only break your side windows and won't work on your windshield. Finished in a deep orange color for easy visibility, this tool features a high-quality ABS plastic cover. Again, there are many products available similar to GOACC's offering, so if you like this style, you can choose the one that fits your price budget. Number 3. Ztylus Stinger Car Emergency Escape Toolkit. Designed and patented in the US, the Ztylus Stinger Emergency Escape Toolkit features a spring-loaded glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, and a pair of 2.4 amp USB chargers when the tool is plugged into your car's cigarette lighter. The spring-loaded punch works quickly and easily, but like other escape tools, will only break tempered glass. Unlike other escape tools that are likely tossed into a glove box or center console, this one also serves as a USB charger, so you likely always have it within reasonable reach in the case of an emergency. According to Ztylus, the Stinger's seatbelt cutter has been tested on a 5,000-pound towing strap, so it will easily cut away your seatbelt if necessary. The onboard dual USB ports offer high-speed charging, powered by an intelligent circuit design that protects against short-circuiting, overheating, overcurrents, and overcharging. This tool is priced similarly to the competition, but you get the added benefit of having USB chargers. The product is available in black or white, as a single unit or 2-pack, and there is even an option for a USB-C charger. The company also offers a Stinger vent mount product, which serves as a phone holder, glass breaker, and seatbelt cutter. Number 4. Kershaw Barricade 8650. With most escape tools offering just a glass breaker and a seatbelt cutter, it can feel like you're spending money on a tool you might never actually use. If you're looking for something with more day-to-day applications, the Kershaw Barricade offers not only a glass-breaking carbide tip and seatbelt cutter, but it also features a 3.5-inch HCR 13-mouth stainless steel blade. Kershaw includes a black oxide to aid corrosion resistance, and a torsion bar for fast deployment of the blade. Having a standard blade makes the Barricade a far more useful tool for day-to-day tasks, but it is not meant to replace the included seatbelt cutter. During an emergency situation, you run the risk of accidentally cutting yourself by using a traditional blade while cutting a seatbelt. That's why Kershaw still includes a guided seatbelt cutter in the bottom of the Barricade's handle. Lastly, it includes a lifetime warranty from Kershaw, an offer unmatched by any of the other escape tools listed here. Number 5. NPET T105 Solar. Much like the Kershaw offering, NPET's T105 escape tool includes additional features that make it a more versatile tool for users on a daily basis. Namely, the T105 offers a multifunction 1000 lumen LED flashlight. With an adjustable focus and 6 working modes, it can produce anything from a blue and red warning light to a concentrated high beam, illuminating up to 700 feet away. Of course, it is still an escape tool, so it includes a guided seatbelt cutter and hammer-style glass breaking tip as well. The T105 can also produce a loud alarm call or even function as a power bank for your phone. At $42, it is the most expensive escape tool on our list, but with its multifunction flashlight, alarm call, and phone charging capability, it's also the most versatile. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.